Hello garden lovers! Today we are shining the spotlight on a pair of plants that bring grace, elegance and unstoppable performance to your garden. We proudly present Euphorbia Diamond Frost and the soft, stunning shades in pink. Let's start with a classic, Diamond Frost, a garden icon. Numerous awards have made this variety a bestseller in recent years. With this cloud of airy white flowers, it brings texture, lightness and refined beauty to containers, borders or mixed arrangements. It is still a great choice for combination plantings, but even on her own, Diamond Frost is just beautiful. It's a perfect filler plant, but it never fades into the background. Diamond Frost thrives in full sun or partial shade, handles rain, wind and drought easily, and stays perfectly tidy without ever demanding attention. Now, if you like something more playful and unique, then meet Shades in Pink. Same form, same elegance, but with a soft blush of color. This is a special variety with mainly dark foliage and petals in various shades of pink. It looks romantic, fresh, and it blends beautifully with petunias, geraniums, verbenas. And there are so many different plants you can combine it with, and it sets the scene for all of them. Just a wonderful variety in my eyes. Why gardeners love the Diamond series? It's because they are incredibly versatile and bring that special glow and touch of elegance to all the plants they stand with. Then they are of course lush and vigorous and flower covered all season long, and they are of course very low maintenance. Whether as a landscape plant, in a modern patio planter or in a country style window box, these euphorbias bring calm movement, texture and magic wherever you put it. Ideal for modern design or wild cottage charm. And thanks to Provenwinners breeding, innovation and quality assurance, you can count on plants that perform perfectly every day. Now, which do you love more? The pure white elegance of Diamond Frost or the romantic soft glow of Shades of Pink? Please tell us in the comments. And subscribe for more flower power with Provenwinners, where every garden becomes a work of art. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye garden friends, and see you very soon.